In this video, I'll guide you through how to target rich people with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a premium product or high-ticket service, it's important to reach an audience that's more likely to be interested in and able to afford your offer. While Facebook Ads Manager doesn't include a single option that lets you directly target wealthy individuals, you can build an audience using a combination of interests, locations, and lifestyle indicators. It's also worth noting that Meta continues to rely more on its AI-powered audience optimization, so some manual targeting options may become more limited over time. To get started, sign into Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to the Audiences section. Once you're there, click Create Audience and choose the Saved Audience option. This allows you to build an audience that you can reuse in future campaigns. Begin by giving your audience a descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Next, review the location settings. One approach is to target specific zip codes or geographic areas that are known for higher household incomes. If your campaign serves a broader market, you can keep a larger location selected and refine your audience using additional targeting options instead. Continue through the audience settings and adjust options such as language, age, or gender if they're relevant to your campaign. Otherwise, you can leave these settings broad and focus on interest-based targeting. As you scroll down, you'll find the detailed targeting section. This is where you'll begin building your audience using interests and behaviors that may be associated with luxury lifestyles. For example, you can search for interests related to luxury goods, luxury travel, designer brands, private aviation, yachts, fine dining, premium shopping, or other high-end lifestyle topics that are relevant to your product or service. You can continue expanding your audience by adding additional interests that align with your ideal customer. Depending on your campaign, this may include luxury brands, exclusive clubs, upscale travel, or other premium lifestyle categories. If you're targeting a specific region, combining these interests with carefully selected locations can help make your audience more focused. You may notice that the estimated audience size appears much larger than expected because Meta enables Advantage plus Audience by default. If you want to rely more heavily on your manual targeting, switch to Advantage plus Audience and then return to the original audience options if they're available. This allows you to continue refining your audience based on the interests you've selected. As you add more relevant interests, monitor the estimated audience size until you're satisfied with the balance between reach and specificity. Once you've finished building the audience, click Create Saved Audience. Your custom audience will now be available whenever you create a new Facebook advertising campaign, allowing you to quickly select it during campaign setup. And that's all there is to creating a premium lifestyle audience in Facebook ads. By combining relevant interests, luxury-related behaviors, and carefully chosen locations, you can build an audience that's better aligned with high-end products and services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.